people make parks great. The lifeguards, the facilities staff, the recreation leaders, the instructors. But most importantly, it's our communities that make parks great. The mothers, fathers, daughters, sons, grandmothers, and grandfathers. The artists, the athletes, women and men who craft, those who entertain, those who nurture. The Chicago Park District always has been committed to be there for all Chicagoans through depression, war, natural disaster, and global pandemic. This year, unlike any other, has challenged us all, but together, we are persevering. Reflecting on the challenging year we have all faced, we are proud not only of the women and men that represent the Chicago Park District, but also the millions of people in every Chicago neighborhood that have come together to help their neighbor. At the Chicago Park District, we are proud of what we have ventured to achieve despite the obstacles, and we are committed and proud to serve our communities. Next year may come with new challenges, but we'll work just as hard to surpass them together.
Hey Chicago, I'm Mike Kelly, General Superintendent and CEO of the Chicago Park District. Let's face it, 2020 had a lot of obstacles, and we got a lot more hurdles to overcome in 2021. But know that the Chicago Park District will be there for you and your family. So on behalf of the Chicago Park District team, I want to wish you a happy and a safe holiday season.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Through it all, we are here for you, Chicago. From the Chicago Park District, we wish you a happy and safe holiday.